cooking soul.
Ooh, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby.
Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of INFLUENSTER and welcome to my beauty room. I like to call it MySpace. So literally this is the door that you walk in. You know, I have my little hallway. This is a foyer, okay? It's not that big, but that's okay. I got one. Small little foyer, okay? Moving on over here, this whole side is like my fashion inspirational wall. So I have these rose gold hooks and some of my favorite bags. Most of these are Kurt Geiger bags. I love his bags. And then I have my inspirational or open closet with either new pieces or pieces for the season or outfits that I have put together. This is like a vibe right here. I have my little luxury layer. It's cute. My luxury layer, so I have a couple of my luxury pieces that are on display, easy to grab. I keep my camera equipment in here. I actually use that for storage. And then, you know, of course, I stole Nick's speaker. He doesn't use it, so it's mine. With some books, some bags, some shoes, more storage, my record player that I do actually listen to. And all of the artwork in this room is by Lee. And this is my artwork. This wall is very special because Nick bootlegged my background stand. I got it off of Amazon and we literally added a shower pole, and that's where I do most of my backdrops. If I don't just use this plain wall, I will also use tacks and attach my backdrops to the wall if I need to. These are the Alex drawers from Ikea, and I store virtually all of my makeup in here. Maybe not all of it, but for the most part. So I just literally have it organized, kind of. It's my makeup. It's where I keep it. And then on top, I have some lipsticks from Auntie Pat. Auntie Pat, she sent me these, y'all, so I feel very special. Some of them, not all of them. Some cuticle oil, extra brushes, and of course candles, because you know, H-Town repping. That's how we do it. I also have extra brushes, and let's lower ourselves because I keep all of my hair stuff right here. So I have products primarily that I use all of the time. This is all of my products. And then I keep tools in here for my hair. I keep color in this box. This box is specifically just for hair color. And then right here, I usually keep rollers. Lots and lots and lots and lots of rollers in that drawer. So yeah, this is literally my hair corner. All of the brands that I've worked with and products that I use are right here. Next to the closet is my Yeezy tower. These are the only sneakers that I keep in the back, and I literally just have the majority of my Yeezys because they don't fit in regular shoe boxes, and I love my Yeezys. I keep them in this tower, easy to access, and then they're on display and they look really cute. I love this tower, but I could only afford these boxes, so only my expensive shoes are going into these. On this wall, it's my closet and like my mirrors. So I kind of get dressed in this area. I have a neon light that is from Urban Outfitters. And then the mirror is a classic mirror from Ikea. And then in this corner, I have my calendar. I erased everything on it, so you don't know what's going on with me for the month. And then I just keep kind of extra palettes and letters from brands when they send me like PR things, you know. So this is kind of like my office area, essentially. And I have my beloved desk. And the glass on this desk, I just broke it yesterday. So I have to replace this very, very soon. But on my desk, I have pictures of friends and family. I do have a few notes from brands. Remember when I told you Auntie Pat sent me some stuff? I kept this note on here because that's very special to me. Have my basic everyday makeup foundation, brushes, lip products. My makeup mirror is from Simple Human. And then I use my eye mirror like for my hair. And I also have a small mirror if I need to really get into the details. Inside of the drawer, it is filled to the rim with palettes. I keep all of my makeup palettes in here for the most part, along with highlighters and a little bit of like contouring, highlighting kits, that type of thing. This drawer is crazy packed. And then lastly, I have my beautiful chair. And then the covering on this chair is literally just a pillowcase from Ikea, and the chair is from Ross. So loves, I hope that you guys enjoyed my beauty room tour. I've been seeing your comments. I haven't been neglecting them. And I just finally solicited the help today from Nick to actually show you all of the angles of my beauty room. If you have any questions, or if I missed out on telling you, you know, where I got something from or where I ordered it from, then just leave it in the comments and I would definitely try to respond on that. I know that for a fact, for my luxury layer, that shelf is from Ikea, and I did not mention that. And then also my clothing rack is from Amazon, and my rose gold hooks that I hang my bags on are from Target. So hopefully that helps you guys. But like I said, any other questions, leave them down below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.